Hello, welcome to JoyChinese乐学中文. My name is Joy. If you are totally new for Chinese language, you're at the right place to start from this video. JoyChinese will provide you totally free lessons on basic Chinese. Each video will last about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on content. You will learn standard Chinese pronunciations and basic grammars, daily life speaking Chinese, standard handwriting techniques, and so on. Let us start our first lesson. Phonetic alphabet and Chinese characters. Here in this class, you will learn a rough idea about Chinese. Let's use the word Chinese as an example. If you know the pronunciation of English, you will know how to read whenever you see the word. However, Chinese is different. When you see the Chinese characters in a newspaper or a book, you can hardly pronounce it. For example, when you see this word 中文, it means Chinese. You cannot directly speak it out. So how Chinese people learn the pronunciation? Actually, there is a parallel system to assist reading. We call it Pinyin. It shows like this, which looks very similar to English alphabet. In the following slide, I will explain the phonetic alphabet and Chinese characters separately. First, phonetic alphabet. In Chinese, it's called Pinyin. In the Pinyin system, there are 3 parts. First one is the red part. We call it initial. In Chinese, 声母. It can be 1 or 2 alphabets. The second one is the blue part. We call it finals. In Chinese, 韵母. It can be 1, 2, or 3 alphabets with different combinations. The third part is the black part. We call it tones. In Chinese, 音调. They are altogether 4 different tones. We usually put it on the top of finals to help adjust the pronunciation. Next, I will introduce a little bit knowledge about Chinese characters. My foreign friends always ask, how many alphabets you have for Chinese language? Actually, Chinese character isn't based on alphabet, but stroke. Let me use Chinese as an example, 中文, to explain the strokes. For example, 中. This word 中, this is a Chinese character, has 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how we are writing, you will see in the animation. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of the Chinese character is a combination of different strokes. Same for the next one, 文. The second character, it has 4 strokes too. It's a dot, a stretch, horizontal stretch, and 2D shape. And the way for writing is like dot, horizontal stretch, and the cross. As English alphabet made up different vocabularies, the Chinese stroke also made up different Chinese characters, and those characters made up words. The next question is how people learn writing. Here, I'm going to show you a typical practicing sheet for pinyin and character. It's called field shape form, 田字格. In elementary school, the student always start with this kind of form to learn writing. Let me show you how it format. So this form actually has a shape like a 田. This means farmland. And when people write, you can see the pinyin is on the top for this 4 line. Very similar to the rule for writing in English. And then the Chinese character is located in the middle of this field shape of 田字格. So each of the characters occupied one of these forms. So you will find a video to show how to make this practicing sheet. There are English and Chinese versions available in my channel. Alright, this is what we have for this video. In next video, I will explain Lesson 2, Phonetic Alphabet Rules, 拼音规则. If you feel this video is helpful, please give me a thumb up and share, save, or subscribe. If you have any comment, please leave it down below. Thank you.